Oh!
Hey, B.
What's up?
We're going to LAPD.
LAPD.
Yeah, 8/9/23 is when this chaos happens.
Okay, so just last month.
Yep, Mr. Ramirez causes a lot of damage. So this first footage is everything that's going to happen. It's all from surveillance cameras and the air unit. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to watch it and see what you think.
Okay. Mr. Ramirez causing trouble in Los Angeles.
Yep.
Okay.
Boom.
Is that him?
Yep. He's in a
What was that like a
Suburban
water truck car or something?
It's a county vehicle that he either works or stole it. I can't remember.
Okay. He didn't like that fence?
No, he didn't like that fence.
Pay the toll?
Yep.
Yeah,
he definitely does. He doesn't definitely like these guys either.
Oh. 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 Damn, it's like that?
He's not done yet, man.
It's like that?
He doesn't. He's not done yet.
He's just going to hit everybody. Was this guy trying to get out of his way?
Yeah, he was. Yeah, he was.
He got hit anyway.
Yeah, see, his vehicle's disabled now, so, this is what's... Okay. Oh, boy.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's not good, LAPD.
Right.
That's not good. Oh, I might as well hit that door,
might as well hit it.
Might as well just hit every cop car you can, right? Like pinball.
I think there was like 5 vehicles that he just disabled.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, they're all going to be out of commission.
Yeah. He's armed, by the way. He's armed, so that's why they're being cautious.
Okay.
Okay. And that's when they take him into custody. They have to roll in the heavy vehicle to do it. All right, so we're going to catch some body cam videos. Yeah.
I love body cam footage.
Yeah.
Let's
this is initial.
See how LAPD does.
Yeah, this is when we're going to catch him right here.
Okay. Oh!
Yep.
Damn.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, you turn around. You turn around, he's going to be facing your way.
Turn around.
Now, this is the second vehicle that gets hit from that first image.
Oh! Damn! He could have taken his legs off. Man, I bet you he pulled his legs up so freaking fast.
I'm telling you.
I could have cut the cop's legs off. His legs are still hanging out of the door. I hope he's okay.
Get that dude out! Just to continue to move the vehicle reverse back.
Who's talking to him? Who's giving him play-by-play? Dispatch.
The sergeant's in there.
Oh.
Just line him up, dude. You hear that?
Yeah.
They lit his ass up.
I did hear that.
Suspect is running the police car.
Yeah. Oh, you know what?
You
Must
think?
be,
Continue to move the vehicle reverse back.
Look how many cops are there, dude.
that's a lot of cops.
And watch.
Yeah. I need to handle this.
Check this out. Listen to that.
Ramming the police car.
Okay.
Suspect is running the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst.
Crossfire much? You think? Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what they were doing, man.
Could have cut right through each other. Not good. Another angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good.
Look at he's got his fucking phone in his hand, dude.
Why is your phone in your hand?
Why?
It's this new generation of cops.
Why?
Have you seen these people? They can't do anything without their phone in their hands. They can't even walk without their phones. Everybody's like this. Drives me nuts. So I'm not surprised. Wow.
You got 3 cops.
It's like
3
shooting
cops,
range.
3 officers dumping loads on
I'm
this
waiting
guy,
for the
right?
whistle. Threat.
Right?
Get on the ground. He's not even out of the car yet. Again, probably rookie cops. They don't know what to say.
They're just stressed right now.
They're stressed, man. They're stressed.
Right?
You got to take a big
Watch
couple
this.
of deep breaths. Oh, he got his feet in.
Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Make sure I got both my limbs.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that was close. That was too close.
I think the sergeant takes charge here in a second.
Okay. Somebody better do something.
It's just utter chaos when this is going on.
From a guy in a stolen state car.
Yeah.
Or SUV.
Yeah.
He's causing all this. Okay. So shooting at cars don't work. At vehicles. Shooting at them as cops, it doesn't work. It's not going to stop the car.
No.
It's not going to get the result you think. Don't do it. Unless you're in deadly force and you really need to. Look at all these people shooting.
But
and the guy's still moving around. Obviously, he's not hit, I'm assuming, by any bullets yet.
No.
So they must have fired, what, 30, 40 rounds? None of them even hit the guy yet?
No.
That's disappointing. Whoa.
So, yeah, we're good right there. So, at the end of the day, he was armed with a screwdriver. That's what he was armed with. Right?
You're kidding me.
No.
No, you're...
No, I'm not. No, I'm not, dude.
Oh, hold on. So you're telling me they let this dude drive all over, smash police cars, and then when he was stopped for like 5 minutes because the vehicle was busted,
The Bearcat had to come in.
and they shot it all up. Nobody could go up to the car and yank that dude out, or at least go up to the car and shoot him in the face.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're shooting at him that much, but a screwdriver? Are you?
Listen, this is they learned that after the fact, right?
Learn what?
That he was armed with a screwdriver. They just said he was armed. They didn't know with what.
Well, you need to figure that out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And how about don't miss that much when you're shooting them?
Well, the sergeant went on and started taking control and said, "Hey, listen, I want an arrest team here." That's when he rammed him again.
So I'm sure the sergeant was surprised.
And then
because everything goes to shit, and it is what it is.
they were trying to get him out of the vehicle, English and Spanish, right?
Right.
But
Okay.
who knows if he was mentally challenged as far as mentally episode or something was going on with him that
Right. Okay.
he couldn't really get out. But
So
they pulled him out.
I mean, my thoughts when he's ramming cars like this,
Mm.
and then once he stops and you're already engaged and you're shooting at him using deadly force, to me, the proper response would have been when he was disabled. And
You would advance.
parked,
I know that.
I would advance
Yep.
right up onto that car door,
Yep.
put my gun in his face, and said, "Show me your hands. If you move,
Mm-hmm.
you will die." And
Yep.
then you sit there like this with your gun in his face, and you wait for your partner. He opens the door, you back up, and you grab him right out. If he's got a gun, you shoot him.
Yeah.
Guess what? I got a gun.
Yeah.
And I'm ready. I'm already pointing at him. So if he grabs it and tries to get it to me, I will win 10 out of 10.
Did you have any problem with them shooting at the vehicle?
Absolutely.
Right.
We don't even know. I mean, just because he's ramming the cars, justification for shooting him when he stopped. Look, I'm not going to jump into LAPD's policies.
Right.
Okay.
Kind of
Shooting at a
general,
moving
yeah.
vehicle never works. You're not going to stop the car. Never. You're not going to stop it unless you got a 50 cal. And even then, you're not going to stop the car.
Yeah.
That's why in Vegas, we really don't shoot at cars a whole lot, if ever, unless it's like life or death. But even then, shooting at cars doesn't work. So to me, that looked like, to be honest, that was not good for LAPD.
Well,
It looked like crap.
I think they could have ended, like you said, advanced on the vehicle the first time when it was up there.
Absolutely.
And ended it right then and there.
Because guess what? He rammed, 6 more cars after that? So had somebody went up there and stopped the threat right there at the car, yank him out of the car and handle business, it would have stopped 6 more cars heading to the yard to get fixed.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
that was a crazy video from
and the guy
LAPD.
jumping out with the phone in his hand. Oh my gosh.
Dude, you're right though.
These kids, man.
First thing they reach for is their phone.
They can't do anything without their phone.
Yeah.
They go to the bathroom, they take a picture of it. Look what I did.
Listen.
It drives me nuts.
I know, but what did the department just recently do? They issued everybody phones.
Well, that's their problem.
Right? So that's part of their equipment now these days.
It doesn't mean you got to carry it in your hand like it's your
That's why
pacifier.
That's why you got pockets.
Jeez, with your little teddy bear, they hold on to their little phone because they can't do anything else.
Safety blanket.
Yeah, these new kids, man, they can't even talk to people, but they can text and work a computer real good. They ain't gonna help you in a gunfight.
I think we've seen a few videos with people running out with their hands.
We saw a video and the girl, the cop, she dropped her gun and her phone. Guess which one she grabbed first?
Yeah, your phone.
Her phone.
Yeah, that's gonna
Then her gun.
That's gonna save her life.
Yeah. Who cares about your phone?
Yeah.
I mean, I know they're expensive and all, but dude, just let it go.
I just got the new one,
You
i15
did.
Pro, and I just broke the glass the other day.
I know.
I'm pissed.
This case was coming in the mail.
Yeah,
And he drops it down.
it up.
Fucking stupid.
Stupid. All right, so I'm not gonna give him any donuts, dude.
That was a shit show.
I'm not gonna give him any
I mean,
donuts.
I'm sorry, LAPD. You know, with LAPD, they either kick ass or they just
They're
blow
just
it.
they're just such a big agency, you know. The
Yeah.
spectrum of training and officer ability is it's got a big spectrum,
It does.
you know.
It does. Yeah, it's a big department.
So you're gonna get those guys that are gonna be reaching for their phones instead of their guns, right?
People
So-
that probably shouldn't be cops. Maybe I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You know, and then they got to get to the range because they shot 40, 60 rounds
Yeah.
and nobody hit the target.
Yeah.
That's not acceptable.
Yeah.
That's not good at all. So you need to
Yeah.
get your firearms training in there.
Yeah,
And,
that was a crazy call there.
Got to search your pockets and find your balls and go up to the car and stop the threat. It's really that simple. It really is.
I think they're just afraid to make a decision.
Well, hey, man, it might have had a Phillips screwdriver. Could have been a regular.
Yeah.
Right? What if it was one of them long jet ones, like 8 feet, and you're like, just stabbing people like a sword? But even then, you know what's great about a screwdriver, America? He's got to be close
Yeah.
to get me. So guess what? You can go up to that car window, stay 3 feet away.
Yeah.
He ain't getting you.
Yeah.
And you got a gun in his face.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
And then your partner, which I've done it. Remember when we were chasing the guy who was robbing the 7-Elevens? And I got
Yep.
in a pursuit,
Yep.
me, you, and Joey.
Yep.
And what did I do? I ran right up to the car, put my gun in his face. He had a gun on this passenger seat. He saw it. I saw it. He actually looked at it. I put my gun about a foot from his face, and I said, "If you move, you're dead." And this is what the kid does. He looks at me. He looks at the gun. He looks back at me and decides,
Yeah, it wasn't worth it.
because I meant business. And as I held him at gunpoint, Gonzo here opened the car door. I backed up 2 feet, still ready to shoot. Gonzo yanks him out of the car. He got some love.
Joey jumps on him, and
I think
the dentist jumps on
the
him.
dentist came in, and I think the suspect is probably still peeing blood. I think I
Yeah.
heard that he's still
Yeah.
pissing blood
Yeah.
to this day.
I remember.
And that was like 20
I remember
years
our
ago,
sergeant
15 years ago.
saying, "Bryon, get back here, get back here!" As you're running toward the car. I remember the sergeant saying that.
Sergeants aren't always correct.
Yeah.
So, no, I'm not getting back there. I am going to the threat.
Well, that was a series.
Yeah, it was a 7-Eleven series. He was duct taping the women.
Yeah, but he was saying that his kid had cancer. Remember?
Well, then you
But it
have
was it was a lie.
the kid was like 18 years
Yeah.
old. He
Yeah.
doesn't even have kids.
Yeah.
But yeah, remember he put the gun to the lady's stomach. She was pregnant.
Yeah.
And he said, "I'll kill your baby."
But you know how that pursuit initially started?
Joey found him.
Joey rolled
Yeah.
up right as it was happening.
Yep.
The call hadn't even come out yet.
Yep. And
That
you know-
black Honda Accord was right
Yep.
there, and he
And
goes, "What the fuck?"
You know how I know Joey had the car? I could hear the change in his voice.
Yep.
His voice, just his voice on the radio before when he spoke a couple words, I said, "He's got the car."
Got the car.
Because you could tell he was getting that adrenaline dump, and your voice. If something happens with your voice, you can hear it. When you hear it all the time, you know what to listen for. But yeah, Joe, yeah, you got me goose pimples.
I'm telling you, bro.
But Joey found the car, and he was right down the street from me, right down the street from you.
We
And we all hooked up together.
it was a San 5 when we ended
Yeah.
up the pursuit up
I
there.
think we were coming down Durango or Fort Apache. I think it was Fort
Yeah, but it was
Apache because we turned up on Oquendo.
Oquendo
and
and
it
a
was
dead end.
It was a dead end.
Yeah.
Suspect didn't know it was a dead end.
But we did.
I knew it was a dead end.
We
He
did.
didn't. So when he hit the dead end, well, like I said,
Yeah.
he got a gun in his face and he got some love.
But that's how you terminate a pursuit.
That's how you terminate it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So anyway,
So, all right, no donuts.
no donuts.
I think-
Do you
wow.
agree or do you don't agree?
I mean, I could give him one just for showing up.
Okay.
LAPD.
So one donut
one donut,
for every officer. That's at least 60 donuts.
and they still didn't get the job done.
Exactly. Good job.
Okay. Comment below. I'm not going to say good shoot, bad
No.
shoot because they didn't even hit
It's
nothing.
obviously on the video.
Yeah, I mean, you guys saw the video. Leave your comments below what you think LAPD did. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're always watching you. My man
Yeah.
Boba Fett.
New guy.
Don't make me send him after you.
New guy.
Hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for Zangief Jiu-Jitsu. Get your butt down to Zangief and get your butt whooped. It's
Yeah.
good for you. You'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.